my dear brother, my dear friend, the performing governor of Adamawa State, Alhaji Umaru Fintiri, Your Excellencies, my colleagues, former governors, and very dependable allies, those who fought for equity, justice, and fairness. The former governor of Benue State, the former governor of Enugu State, and the former governor of Abia State. My dear brother, His Excellency, the Minister of Petroleum States, Dr. Henry Lebobri, distinguished senators that are here, particularly Senator representing my zone, the Rivers East Senatorial District, Chief Oluwan Oyesu, the Managing Director of the NDDC, a young man who has shown the difference as far as the administration of NDDC is concerned. My dear brothers, our leader, the chairman of the PDP Elders Council, very reliable, very humble, elderly man, those who have seen money when money was money. Chief Ferdinand Alababa. The chairman of, I would say, the man who is coordinating this reception today, Senator George Thompson Sakibo, the Director General of Rivers Ijaw Congress, Chairman of Oko-Jumbo Local Government, Roland Sakibo, the single members of the State Assembly that are here, Council Chairman that are here, Chairman of APC, Chairman of PDP that are here, our dear leaders from various walks of life, our dear traditional rulers who are here, our women, our youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Eyes on! Eyes on! Is that coming here? First of all, let me thank Chief Ferdinand Alababa and his team for this very interesting occasion today. When I was approached by Senator George Thompson Sakibo that he was sent by the Rivers Ijaw Congress that they want to honor me. And I said, what is the essence? Of what purpose? Why do you want to go and waste that kind of money? I need the money. Give it to me. He said, no, it's not just that. That so many people go on television, they talk and put themselves as if they are speaking for the just. And that Nigerians may not know, they have not even won control of the job people because they rush and go to television to speak. That's okay. I will come and let Nigerians know. That's something I want to do symbolic today. Abu Odua. Abu Odua has an assembly member. Is it not correct? Is he here? Is he here? Where is he? Where is he? Let him come. Whatever, let him come. Degema has one state assembly. Is he here? Let him come out here. Asserts has 2 constituencies, 2 assembly members. Are they here? Let 2 of them come out. Oko-Jumbo has 2 constituencies, 2 assembly members. Are they here? Please let them come front. Gentlemen, do us a favor of going back small. That's something I want to do. Please. Yes. Andoni. Hold on. Andoni has 1 state constituency. Ofik, is he here? Where is he? Is that? Is Toya Doke here? Of Port Harcourt? Is he here? Ogubolo has 1 state assembly. Is he here? Is he here? Okay. Now, the person that represents Okrika is our sister. She's indisposed for some months now. Right? Now, let us count. All these assembly members are Ijaws, are they not? Yeah. Are they Ijaws or not? Yeah. Are they Ijaws or not? Yeah. Now calculate. Andoni 1, Opopo 2, is not correct? Yeah. Okrika 3, Ogubolo 4, Port Harcourt 5, is not correct? Agutoro 2, 7, Asserts 2. Degeba, Abuadua, Bonnie, and I've counted, that's all. That's all, it's not. And Bonnie, I've counted. No, what I'm saying, these are the local government that assembly members are what it does. It's not correct. Now let us count the assembly members who are family with the Rivers State House of Assembly, who are the pillars of the Speaker of the Rivers State Assembly. Abuadua 1, is not correct? Degeba, Asserts 3, 4, Oko-Jumbo 5, 6, is not correct? It's not correct? Port Harcourt, Ogubolo, Andoni, Okrika. No, I cannot take it, man. 10, is not correct? Out of how many? Out of how many? Out of how many? 10 Ijaws. 10 Ijaws out of 12. Is not correct? Are saying that the governor of the state, you have breached, you have done infractions of the constitution. It's not correct? 12 of the Ijaws, 10 said, no, we can't continue with this. I don't know whether you understand why I'm doing this. Do you understand? Are these not the brothers? Are they not the brothers? Are they the Ogonis? No. Are they the Kodes? No. Are they the Orashis? No. Are they the Che? No. Are they? So they are pure Ijaws, is it not? Now, these are people who are representing Ijaw in the assembly. And these are people who say, no, you're not doing well. We can't accept this. I'm sure it's a message to those of them in Abuja who don't understand. Do you understand me? Okay, let me also tell you. If anybody tells you, I've been worried one day that they say Ijaw people are fighting me, it's not correct. There are some ungrateful people everywhere. It's not correct. A father may have 12 children, One can be an armed robber. But does that mean that you have family people are armed robbers? So I have never. All these people that go to television to say Ijaw, ask them. They were positioned. Who you make? Who you build? They build anybody? They make anybody? All the things you see are people who are envious about our growth. They couldn't do what we are doing today. These are people whom we have defeated politically severally. If opportunity comes again, we will defeat them. This is the period to suck. There's a big market. And so people are rushing to the market.
I hear you.
Very soon, you will see also they are coming back that there is nothing in that market. I have worked with so many Ijaw people. I have friends from Ijaw. I can attest to the fact they have been good to me. I can attest to the fact they have never betrayed me politically or whatever. It's not because you have one person in the family or two, therefore you say Ijaws are not good. That cannot be. That is not possible. So let it be known. Somebody was talking about Ijaw governor. I told the person, you are from Delta. Make Ijaw governor of Delta State first. Is that correct? To show the leadership you have, you can also make Ijaw man to be governor in Delta State. Is that true? I have made an Ijaw man governor of Rivers State. By the grace of God, God used us. All of us here. You have sleepless nights. So who loves Ijaw more? Who loves Ijaw more? Is it the people who come out on television who cannot even come out and make it their Ijaw brother governor? After the old Rivers State, if they were that strong, if they were that powerful, since after the old Rivers State, has Ijaw man become governor? Where are they? Where were they? Where were they? And this, I'm head of this militancy, and this, where were you? When you could not make an Ijaw man governor. It's only when you appear on channels, it's only when you go to social media, you begin to threaten people. I'm an equal man. I sat down and I said, look, for political conviviality, for unity, let us do this way. And none of them ran away. They said, why should I bring an Okoko man if I want to bring the Ijaw? That Okoko is not the real Ijaw. Now, food done. Okoko na number one Ijaw. Kai. So you see the kind of leadership we have. Leadership of Benin, not leadership for the people. So, forget about rain we are used to it. And at the salt. So, let everybody know. For anybody to be governor of Rivers State, it takes everybody to gather together and say this is the way we want it. And that is the way we continue to do it. But let nobody threaten anybody. Well, all those threats are empty threats. Very soon we will know who are those who are relevant. I said nobody will take the structure of the party. Didn't I say so? Didn't I say so? If you didn't tell, you can imagine where you don't reach the level for Rivers State that the contemplate of APP. You see how Rivers State don't go down? You see how Rivers State don't go down? When I was governor, is it possible? Is it possible? It's not money. It's not money. Money need a water. Now people they carry money water. You can have all the money if you didn't take. And it is not about, and like I've said it, we are law-abiding people. We are law-abiding people. Nobody should push us to the wall. Police people, you are here. Nobody should push us to the wall. You know, when this country, 2020, 23, people were hiding their faces. Nobody could come out. And that's how you know human beings. That's how you know those who have character. Those are people who have integrity. They stood firm and said, we will support equity, fairness, and what? Justice. We didn't hide it. Did we hide it? No. Why does anybody on earth think that anything we want to do will hide? Hide for who? Where is the address of the person? All those who are moving around say they are supporting somebody. You know it's not correct. You know some people don't have shame. I cannot serve your boy. I cannot serve master and serve boy. Now they are not even waiting. They are even rushing after the servant, the boy. They are not even waiting for the boy to call them. They are now rushing to the people don't have integrity. Don't ever you think that they are fighting me. They are not fighting me. I'm too big. I'm too big. If you don't recognize somebody who is bigger than you, then you know you are sick. And far. All of them put together, they cannot stand it. When people said they will put hand here, I told them, if you come here and put hand, how did you go enter a cold place? Not so. Now they cry. They cry now. They cry. Now you go find trouble. And that is sleep up so they don't wake up. We're there on our own. Somebody come the post, and go put hand. That's okay. Since you get hand to put, we to get hand to put. Allah never begin below now. Allah never begin below. Instead of them to concentrate on how they will win elections in their state, then they go meeting for another place. They talk about Rivers State. Now who lose now? I have never seen a situation like this. You get the exam. So I need to concentrate for the exam make you pass. If they go to students' protest, protest don't finish now. Exam don't start. Not the failure. Then you say, my teacher make me fail. My teacher make me fail. Don't be fail by yourself. Roland When they go for TV, they call my name while I don't do anything. So I didn't make them fail. That time when they go other states, for Enugu, for Taraba, for this, you know they say election day. You don't know. Don't carry a problem. No will you give you a problem. Now you give yourself a problem. And this is a lesson to all that. Don't touch Rivers State. It's a special state to God. When you see our legal team, you know you have a legal team. Not to somebody, okay? And I go fight people. It's what you know about the matter when you go fight people. When you lose, you come back and say, so something happened. Tell yourself the simple truth. We will continue to be victorious. If it was money, they would have just sorted out here now. It's not correct. But because God is with us, because our hands are clean, because we believe in the unity of this state, that's why it is difficult for them to carry out their nefarious actions. Today, to tell you how devilish they are, they send some boys with dynamite to come and dynamite here. Police arrested them last night. And let me say clearly, police, this one is not known. This one is confidential. CP, this one is waiting, confidential. Like I said, we take high this one again. Where the Minister of FCT governors were coming, they mobilized to dynamite the place, and they are caught. Let me see how CP will tell me that's order to release them. By releasing them, you are encouraging crime in the state. I have told people that nobody has monopoly of causing violence. The mere fact that we choose to know, to play according to the rule of law, to be calm, not to turn our state where investors will run away. And that's what we'll continue to do. And that's what we're saying, for whatever it is, we'll continue to support the administration of the president of the country. I can come home. I can come home any day. Why? I I stand tall to challenge anybody in this state, local government by local government, even those who are following whoever they are following. I did everything to their communities. I can challenge anybody. What is it? That one doesn't show me. The ring road was my initiative. The ring road was me. I initiated it thinking that we are all going to work together. As I continue from here, this is where I stopped. They are not bragging that they are the ones. It was me. I have gone to Abuja and repeating what I did in the state. Is it a lie? So, I have left the state. I have gone to the federal level. Go and see the testimony of what's happening in Abuja. That is why I say, if you didn't dare, So I thank you. We have not started politics.